Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 load failed here. So here's what you gotta do. So you open a new tab and type in this gaming services repair tool. Then click on the first link and click here, downloadable versions. Scroll a bit till you find this. Download the gaming services repair tool. Save it. Click on this to open it immediately. Exit out of this. Click yes. And it will say completed successfully. And after it's done, you want to press Y key and then press enter and then press enter again to close the window. Now, after you've done this, you want to restart your PC fully. And after you restart your PC, if this doesn't help, what you can try is you want to open the Xbox app before you launch the game. If you have like a shortcut of the game on the desktop, you want to open the Xbox app and you don't want to close it, and keep the Xbox app running and then launch the Forza and then see if it will work then. Also make sure that you update your drivers to the latest and greatest, or like the game's ready drivers. If you already did that, you can like re-download them and then like maybe it fixes it. Also you can go to settings and then disable NVIDIA overlay and go to system settings here and click on the G-Sync and click here and make sure the G-Sync is off. If it's on, you want to disable it and then apply OK, exit out of this. What else you can try is, if you're running it through Steam, open your Steam library and then right click on the Forza Horizon, click manage and then click browse local files. And once you find where it's located, you can right click on Forza, click properties, go to compatibility, and you want to make sure to disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin, and then click apply. Okay, and then you can restart the game and see if that works. You can do also same for Game Pass, the Xbox app. Here's how you do it. How Forza is located, or if you have it through the Xbox app, you want to go to local disk C, Xbox games. It's here, it will say Forza Horizon. Open it, you go to content, and here it will say Forza Horizon 6. It will look like this, and you want to right click on it, go to properties. Right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and you want to make sure to disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Apply, okay. And after you've done that, also you can, the last ditch effort you can try also is go to search, type in Microsoft Store. And once you open it, click here, downloads, and then you can click here to check if there's any downloads and download them. As you can see, it's like looking for some, and it will download whatever it's missing. After you updated this, try relaunching the game again. Also, what you can do in both Xbox app and Steam is verify the game files. So you find the game, right click on it, click manage, go to files, and then click verify and confirm files, and then click yes, and it will like fix whatever it's missing. It says here like fixing files, and it's done. After it's done, you can do the same in Steam by opening Steam. Once you open Steam, you want to find the Forza Horizon, right click on it, click properties, go to installed files, and then click verify integrity of game files. After that is done, what also I can recommend you do is, if you have more than one hard drive, if you have it installed on your like local disks or like a D, it's not on your main drive, you can move the files to the burst or main drive where the OS is located, and maybe that helps your issue. Also, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 load failed error. Hopefully this helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.